About 10:15, Tuesday morning, March 14th, 2017. It's the day of the predicted Great Blizzard of 2017. What normally would be a busy day on a train station in New York, it's eerily empty. Feels like more 4 a.m. on a Sunday morning. This is the Canal Street station on the number 1 and 9 lines in New York. Hello. Hello, sir.
Heavy snowstorm. I'll be down here for 2 days, homeless.
Really? Okay.
You help me out till I get some heat?
Yeah, let me help you out, sir. How are you coping with the snow?
I just woke up. I slept on the platform last night.
Okay.
I'm about to go back there and eat and wash up and stuff. I'll be down there for a couple of hours at least.
Sure.
And I'll be on the train the whole time. It's so storm.
Oh, yeah. It's amazing
You
how empty it
tourist?
is. No, I'm from New York. No. Just doing coverage of the storm, so.
Oh, this is good. This is a good shot you got here.
Yeah.
Water coming down.
Sure.
If you look, if you go like from the top, you see, sometimes you can see the snow coming down. That's a good picture.
Yeah, I feel the snow coming, yeah.
You can see it. You can film it.
Yeah, I see it.
Sometimes you see the snow, a lot of snow coming down. I don't know why you can't see it here, but
Sure, I see it.
like, you see a lot of snow coming down. That's good stuff.
Okay. What's your name, sir?
My name's Bobby.
Bob, okay. Best to you. Stay warm. Hope you cover. Sure. All the best to you. So you see some hardy souls down here, getting through the storm of 2017.